Hello. The game I'm about to introduce you to is called Topple. You can have up to 2 to 4 players. Each player gets a different colored piece, as you can see, and the game also comes with a 6-sided die. And, well, the Topple platform itself, which, well, as you can see, it's carefully balanced, but it can get a little unstable with the more pieces that are placed on top of it. In order to play the game, it's real simple. You just take the die, roll it, and whatever number the die lands on, you just take a piece, and then you find the corresponding number for it and just place it on top of it. Now, the way to play is that you have to earn points as you're playing, and there are about a few ways on doing so. One is to try to create a 5 in a row pattern. If you manage to place, if a player manages to place their their piece on the 5th row space, then they earn themselves an automatic 3 points. Another way is what you're seeing at the top. If you manage to stack up to at least 4 or more pieces, you earn points. Now, as the game goes on, you got to be real careful, because the more weight that's put onto the topple, the more unstable it'll get, and eventually the topple will actually everything on top of it will just eventually fall over. Now, there's really no winning or losing, so to speak, but you basically just play it to how many points you and the rest of the players agree on. Now, for my spin on the game, how to change the rules is real simple. It's a little bit more strategic for each of the players. You still kind of play the same similar way, except when you roll the die, you have one out of 2 choices. Either one, you can take your piece and either place it on the number the die rolled, or since I rolled a 4, I can do either this: split the numbers with at least two die. Like I could use 1 and 3, for example. This way, I can either try to make my 5 in a rows quicker, or I could just simply try to stack them for the simple one points. But trying to get the 3 points plus the additional 1 point you get for each colored piece you use would be the better option. However, you do have to be careful. If you use that strategy, the other players might do so too, and they'll try to capitalize that, and they'll be the ones to steal those 3 points you were trying to get first. But as you can see, you'll be able to make other moves along the way, planning ahead, and hopefully beat the competition, and try to gain as many points as you can. That's Topple. It's real simple, it's real fun, and as far as frustration can go, it can happen, especially if it's on your turn and you thought you were in the clear and then everything just, that. Thank you.